Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a form to capture leads in Mailchimp. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, open Mailchimp on your browser and log in to your account. And click on Forms on the left panel. Click on Create Pop-up Form to start creating your form to capture leads and emails in Mailchimp. So choose what you want to offer, for example, discount, or you can choose free. Let's say I want to choose this form template. Click on it and click on Email Address. Select the contact data you want to collect, email address, and click Create Form. This way your form will be created to start collecting email address, so this is our form here, the offer. All these elements of the form are editable, so don't worry, you could edit the text, and when you are done with this edit, just click on Save and Review to save your file. And this is pretty much it, guys. Your work is done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.